Alright guys, so I'm going to start off by sectioning off Raegan's hair. I'm going to be giving her a side part per Raegan's request. So I'm just sectioning off the front of her hair for now and getting it out of the way. So for this protective style, I'm going to be giving Raegan twists. So I'm going to start off by sectioning off a row that I'm going to start with. And then I'm going to apply this Bonita Afro Balm texture cream to her hair for moisture. And I'm just going to work that all the way through. Just like in her box braid tutorial, I'm going to be giving her box parts. And I'm going to be taking this braid lock and twist gel by African Pride. And I'm going to be applying it all over the base of the section so that it's neat and smooth. Now I'm just going to section this part off with a rubber band and begin to two-strand twist. I'm making sure to tightly twist her hair because I'm not going to be securing the ends and I don't want her twist to unravel, so I'm twisting kinda tight so that it stays in place. I'm also stopping to add more gel as I twist to give her hair more hold. I also took a little bit more gel and applied it to the end of the twist and did a slight coil to help keep it from unraveling. And now I'm going to do the same thing and complete this row. Alright guys, so with each row moving forward, I pretty much do the exact same thing, but I want you guys to make note of the parting. I did part kinda at the halfway point of the box underneath, so I didn't line the boxes up evenly, but I really like this parting pattern when I'm doing box parting. I really want to try triangle parting on her hair, so let me know if you guys want to see that by giving this video a thumbs up. But yes, this is the parting method that I did this time, as well as when I did the box braid tutorial on her hair. So yeah, this is how her hair is looking, so let's just finish up the back. Okay, so with the front of her hair, I parted each row diagonally just to give it that nice side part effect, and I just continued to do the same thing for this front portion of her hair. Alright guys, so on this side of her hair, I'm going to be doing that trendy style. You guys know when you connect the hair from the sections with the rubber bands, I call them connectees, but it's super trendy. I've done a few styles on Raegan's hair with connectees, so that's what we're going to be doing for this portion of her hair. So I'm going to be making 2 columns in 3 rows, and I'm going to be using these super cute neon colored rubber bands just to add some color to this style, and I'm going to be alternating the colors. Now that that's done, I'm going to twist each section halfway and I'm going to crisscross it and connect it. And I'm going to do the same thing until they're all crisscrossed. So I have 2 sections of hair left over, the hair coming from the yellow rubber bands and the hair coming from the orange rubber bands. So I split up each section into 2 smaller sections and 2-strand twisted it, totaling 4 2-strand twists coming from this little section. And then I'm going to take these butterfly hair clips and accessorize her hair a little bit, and I'm going to show you guys a few ways that I spruced up this hairstyle. And I almost forgot to add some shine mist to her hair. I love spraying this on her hair after a fresh protective style. It just looks like she came straight up out the salon. And I'm also gonna add some oil to her scalp. And yeah, this pretty much wraps up this look. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys want more styling videos, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.